Are you tired of replacing your cutting boards? The secret to a long-lasting, knife-friendly cutting board isn't just how you use it, it's the wood. Choosing the wrong material can dull your expensive knives and harbor unwanted guests. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to break down the science of hardwood and softwood. You'll learn which woods are best for food safety and durability. Product number 1. Woodchuck's Wood Maple Experience. Woodchuck's Wood Maple. This combo pack will have 6 cherry, 6 walnut, and 6 maple boards. Please ignore the material attribute above. These are, of course, made of wood. Not the silly chemical name Amazon has written. It's a bug I'm trying to fix with them. You are buying 18 boards, 6 each of walnut, cherry, and maple. All kiln-dry wood, harvested by the Amish. Product number 2. Patelai 12-pack large cutting boards, bulk wooden kitchen chopping boards for crafts, DIY, wedding, housewarming gift, walnut wood experience. Value package. You will receive 12 cutting boards bulk. Each cutting board is individually packaged. Sufficient quantity can meet your cutting and chopping needs, and can also be applied for display, replacement, craft, etc. Quality material. Our rectangular kitchen chopping boards are made of quality walnut wood material, natural and organic, safe and reliable, sturdy and strong, and not easy to warp, break, or deform. Fine workmanship and smooth surfaces, ideal for cutting vegetables. Product number 3. Bamboo cutting boards for kitchen set of 3. Wood cutting board for chopping meat. Experience bamboo cutting boards for kitchen set of 3. Wood cutting board for chopping meat. The ultimate cutting board set for all. If you're looking for a top-notch quality cutting board that is extremely safe to use, then we got you covered. Not only 1, but 3 premium quality cutting boards will serve your daily needs to the fullest. Forget all those poorly made boards that were full with plastic or would fall apart easily. Keep you and your beloved ones protected in the kitchen with our marvelous bamboo cutting board set. Knife friendly. Earth-friendly bamboo fiber surface is better for your knives and cutlery than plastic, glass, acacia, teak, or maple. Reduce accidents and knife slips while preserving your valuable cutting tools' razor-sharp blades. Product number 4. Pre-oiled experience, pre-oiled and ready for heavy use. Each board arrives pre-treated with food-safe oil, creating a smooth surface that resists splitting and staining. Use straight out of the box for slicing meat, chopping vegetables, or serving grilled favorites. Non-toxic and food-safe. Made purely from natural acacia wood, this set guarantees no harsh chemicals, dyes, or glues will contaminate your food. A healthier, eco-conscious choice for everyday meal prep. Pre-oiled and ready for heavy use. Each board arrives pre-treated with food-safe oil, creating a smooth surface that resists splitting and staining. Use straight out of the box for slicing meat, chopping vegetables, or serving grilled favorites. Non-toxic and food-safe. Made purely from natural acacia wood, this set guarantees no harsh chemicals, dyes, or glues will contaminate your food. A healthier, eco-conscious choice for everyday meal prep. Product number 5. John Boo's Chop and Slice Series Rectangular Wooden Maple Cutting Board 16 by 10, 1 inch thick. Experience John Boo's Chop and Slice Series Rectangular Wooden Maple Cutting Board 16 by 10, 1 inch thick. Wood cutting board with eased corners. Elevate your food prep with a Chop and Slice Series wood cutting board with softened corners. It's great for slicing meat, fruit, bread, and vegetables. Crafted for your home. This wooden charcuterie board boasts reversible sides, eased corners, an oil finish, and a level cutting and chopping surface suitable for your finest cutlery.